let's quickly review what we know about resumes. Well, they should be one page. That's it. Don't cram everything into it. Make it clean and simple. Only include relevant positions and things that make you stand out. Make the resume be very clear into what you did, and don't use any vague language. I did this and it resulted in this. What you did, how you did it, and what were the results. Make it measurable. Personalize your resume. Instead of just emailing 100 companies, try focusing on a few companies and personalize that resume to them. And finally, make sure there's some sort of an online presence that they could check out in case they want to find out more about you. And at the end of the day, you have a few seconds to get the person looking at your interview to say, this person is smart and can help this company. Because remember, a resume is a piece of paper that someone will look at for a few seconds to decide to give you a phone interview or an in-person interview. So you don't want to spend a lot of time on it, but make it so it is effective. But it won't get you a job. You got to remember that. What will get you the job is your projects, your interviewing skills, things we're going to cover. Finally, be honest with your resume. Most companies will ask you questions about your resume and they can tell you if you made it up. It's better to be 100% honest and be able to know 100% about the projects that you worked on and the resume items, because that's something that you're going to talk about in the interview. I also want to show you a nice little tool. They're fun little tools like JobScan, where you can actually paste your resume, paste the job description, and you can scan it. And it will tell you how well your resume does. And it'll give you tips on how you can improve that resume to match the job that you want. But you may have noticed a problem with resumes. What if you don't really have that much experience or things to put down? What do you do in that case? What if I'm underqualified for a job? What if I've only been a developer for 6 months? What if I'm self-taught with no previous experience? What if I have nothing to put on my resume? We're going to tackle that question in the next video. I'll see you in that one. Bye-bye.